Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this is the 11th part of GRE vocabulary high frequency word. So now we'll move on to the content of this video. Before that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of upcoming videos. So now we'll move on to the content. Our first word is diatribe. Diatribe is a noun and the meaning of this word is verbal attack. That means angry speech. So the synonyms are invective, vituperation, onslaught, berating. And these all are GRE words related to diatribe. Move on to the example. He seemed familiar with diatribe like this one. And that means he is familiar with the verbal attack like this one. See the picture how a parents diatribe his son. So move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is she responded by posting a video diatribe against Islam. That means she posted a video which give a verbal attack against the Islam. So move on to the second sentence. He said the meeting was not a dialogue. This was sort of a diatribe, a nasty diatribe, not focus on the fact. He said that meeting is not about the dialogue or sharing the idea. This was type of verbal attack, angry speech that is not focused on the fact. So move on to the third sentence. Fortunately, it is possible to skip her next diatribe and turn the page. That means by good luck, it is possible to skip her next verbal attack or angry speech and turn the page. So now we'll move on to the 5 sentences under this word. So I give 10-second pause for these sentences. After that we will continue the next word. So now move on to the next word. Our next word is paragon. Paragon is a noun and the meaning of this is model of excellence or perfection of a kind. That means a perfect one. Paragon means excellent or perfect one. Synonyms are ideal, apotheosis and idol. These all mean perfect. So move on to the example. He is a paragon of balance and economy. That means he's in the perfect of balance and economy. See the picture of a diamond. A diamond is a symbol of excellence or the perfection. So move on to the sentences. First sentence is this is one of the last places anyone would expect would be a paragon of educational excellence. That means this is the last place where anyone become a model of excellence or the perfect of a kind in the educational excellence. So move on to the second sentence. Did we all laud these paragon of investing brilliance? Laud means appreciate, that you appreciate something, and that means did we appreciate this excellence or the perfect one of investing brilliance? So move on to the third sentence. She is a paragon, not a person. That means she is an example of excellence and not a person. Too good for the world and rest of us must face. That means she is too good for the all over the world and for rest of us we must be face her. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So now move on to the next word. Our next word is obviate. Obviate is a verb. Obviate means it preventing something from happening. So move on to the synonyms. Synonyms are preclude, avert, avoid. That in a single word we called prevent. So move on to the example. Wonderful new medicines often obviate the need for surgery. That means the wonderful new medicines can prevent the need for the surgery. So the medicine can enough for the treatment. There is no need for surgery. See the picture, painting railing to obviate rust. That means the when we paint something on iron, then it prevent from the rusting. So move on to the sentences. The first sentence is the ambition, according to the company's founder, is to completely obviate human worker. That means the according to the company founder, their main goal is to completely prevent the human worker. So move on to the second sentence. It obviates the need for desperation monetary policies that risk future financial stability. That means it prevent for the monetary policies that will be risk our future financial stability. Our third sentence is additional federal fund do not obviate the need for truck tolls. That means the federal fund do not prevent for the need of truck tolls. Move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. Our next word is penchant. Penchant is a noun and the meaning of this word is a strong liking for something. That means you are liking something to do. It may be anything. So move on to the synonyms. Synonyms are predilection, preference, fondness and taste. Move on to the example. He has a penchant for adopting stray dogs. That means he likes to adopt stray dogs. See the picture how a child is penchant about drawing. So move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is he is best known for another surfer movie, 1991 Point Break, in which he plays Angelo Papas, an FBI agent with a penchant for destruction. That means he is best known for his another surfer movie, which is 1991 Point Break, and in this movie he played the character of Angelo Papas, an FBI agent, which with a like for the destruction, that he like for the destruction on the movies. Second sentence is if you have got a penchant for organization, look into becoming a virtual assistant. That means if you got a liking for organization, that if you like organization, then look into becoming a virtual assistant. So move on to the third sentence. She was perhaps referring to Gary's penchant for playing hard on and off the field. That means she was preferring Gary's liking for playing hard. Either it is on or off the field. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So our last word for this video is pariah. Pariah is a noun and the meaning of this is a person who is rejected from society or home. And the synonyms are castaway, outcast, untouchable. So example is Danny become pariah from his friend circle. That means Danny become outcast or rejected from his friend circle. See the picture how a child is pariah from his friend circle. So now move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is I have gone from pariah to acceptance in the course of decade. He once told the Post. That means he told the Post that previously he was rejected, but now he become accepted in the course of the decade. So our second sentence is the once popular Patty immediately become a pariah in the community. That means the Patty immediately become rejected from the community. Our third sentence is we chalked it down so we don't become pariah in our communities. That means we have to reject it, otherwise will become rejected in our community. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. These are the 5 more sentences. So this was only for today's video, and we'll continue on the next part of video for the GRE vocabularies remaining word. Till then, goodbye, take care. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, and if you like our video, please hit the like button and share it. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, like and share this video, and please support us. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, take care.